Hi, my athletes. Welcome to this New Year Fitness Challenge by CureFit. This is Nikki here, and I welcome you all to day 7 of Lower Body Workout Challenge. If you are joining us today and have not finished till day 7, please click the playlist link in the description to begin this 10 days New Year Fitness Challenge from day 1. Alright? Here's wishing all of you a great 2021. Okay, so talking about our 10 days fitness challenge, we will be releasing one workout video for the next 10 days, okay? The challenge by CureFit includes cardio challenge on day 1, abs challenge on day 2, and HIIT on day 3. And this goes on till a full complete body workout challenge on day 10, alright? This challenge series will include a workout which has a lot of movements that will be easy to do at home and also with your body weight, okay? No equipments required, guys, no equipments, alright? So, in today's challenge, we will be focusing on some amazing lower body movements. These movements will help you tone your legs and your glutes and help you get that perfect lower body. I have got 5 workout movements for you today. Each movement will be doing for 45 seconds each, alright? Also remember, guys, day 7 of 10 days, so we have to amp up the intensity. All we have done is just from 4 movements, we have increased it to 5, alright? So, grab your towels, your yoga mats, and a water bottle. We will start with our day 7, alright? Also remember, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel already, please go hit the subscribe button and join the CureFit family. Let's go, guys. Also, guys, please remember to get the best results. Please perform all these 5 movements at least 2 to 3 times today, alright? I am excited. I hope you guys are as well. Please, day 7, 10 days of New Year Fitness Challenge. Let's go, guys. Give it your all. Let's begin. Okay, starting with our first movement. The first movement is called squat with front kicks, alright? So, squat again, feet shoulder width apart, knees following your feet slightly outwards. From here, you're going to go squat down. Yeah, make sure when you're squatting down, at least you go till your knee level, alright? From here, you're going to come up and front kick. So, remember when you're doing a front kick, engage your hips. This is going to work on your hip flexors as well. Again, squat is going to target your quads, your glutes, okay, your lower body, and the front kick is going to activate your hip flexors as well. Alright? So, in 3, 2, 1, keep alternating. Alright? Let's go. Squat down and down. Remember, engage your hip. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Stay with me. Few more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Great job, guys. Movement number 1 done. Moving on to a second movement. That is lateral lunge with toe taps. So, how to set this up? Keep your legs wider than your shoulder width. Now, it's a hip hinge movement. Push your hip back. I'm going to start with my right side. I'm going to lunge to your right. Stand up. Tap your toe. Down. Lunge. And tap your toe. Okay? You're going to first start with one side and move to the other. Alright? Okay, don't forget to smile. In 3, 2, 1, go for it. Lunge and tap. Remember, the other knee extended, not bending. Okay? Keep going. This is gonna work beautifully on your inner thigh muscle as well. Keep going. Few more seconds. Keep going, athletes. Come on. Tap. And let's switch to the other side. Let's go. Lunge. Tap. Remember, no bending of the knee. This is gonna work on your quadricep also. Your glutes as well. Keep going. And tap. Lovely, guys. Few more seconds. In 3, 2, 1, and you can stop. Okay, guys, before we move ahead, I would like to welcome all of you on this wonderful journey that you will be part of through CureFit's YouTube channel, alright? If you haven't subscribed already, go hit the subscribe button and join the fam. Okay, guys, now moving on to a third movement that's called squat jumps, alright? So, like a regular squat, feet should be shoulder width apart. I'm going to show you sideways. From here, what you're going to do, keep your chest up, push your hip back, go down to a squat and jump up straight. So this is going to be a squat jump, alright? Okay? Good to go? Okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. And jump. This is a very good plyo movement. This is gonna bring your heart rate up as well. Make sure when you're jumping, your feet leaves the floor, yeah? So if you wanna scale it down, you can cut down on that jump. What you can do, you can squat down and just do a calf raise. You can do this as well, okay? But I'm gonna stick to my squat jumps and keep going. Good job, guys. Almost there. Keep breathing, I know. My quads are starting to burn in 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Whew. Quads burning, right? Mine are. Okay, moving on to our fourth movement. That's called the rainbow. Okay, so how you set this up? Come down to all fours, quadruped, yeah? Knee in line with the hip, palms under your shoulder. From here, you're gonna extend. I'm gonna start with my left leg. Extend the left leg, no bending of the knee. Lift it off the floor. Imagining you are drawing a rainbow with your leg. And take it to the other side. Yeah, and then bring it back. So if you can, please don't touch your feet on the floor. My beginners, if you want to scale it down, you can, but try not to, all right? So we start with one side and then move to the other, okay? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. This is gonna work beautifully on your glutes, yeah? Toning them. Keep going. Make an arch and down. You don't have to rush in this. Keep going. And other side, leg straight, go for it. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Almost there in 3, 2, 1, and done. There you go. Okay guys, before we move on to the last movement, I would like to invite you guys to the CureFit Live app. Here, you can work out with more trainers like me who are going to help you with your fitness journey. Alright? If you download the app through the link in the description, or if you are the first one to comment in this video, you are going to get a 14-day free access to our app. Okay? Treat yourself with the CureFit Live program, which can be the best addition to your fitness journey this year. Okay guys, moving on to our fifth movement. Last movement, squat pulse. The deadly one. So by now I think you know how to do a normal squat. Feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards, your knee follows your feet, push your hip back, go down. All right, so sideways, and you just pulse. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. You can come up. You can pulse 1, 2, 3, 4. Come up. Okay, we start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. This is gonna target your quadriceps, your glutes. You're gonna feel that burn. Up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pulse for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. If you wanna scale it down, stick to 4. But I'm gonna amp it up, sticking to 6. Yeah? Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. Few more seconds. 5, 6, and done. Great job, guys. We are done with our day 7 lower body workout challenge. Congratulations to you guys. I am really proud because we are done with the workout. I hope you enjoyed this workout as much as I did. Please feel free to pat yourself on your back because you have achieved what most of us only resolve to begin our New Year fitness journey with, but only a few determined ones can actually implement it and finish the workout. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Keep yourself motivated. Please make sure that you eat healthy, sleep well, and hydrate plenty, all right? I hope this 10 days workout challenge keep you motivated to be fit, to pursue fitness throughout your life, yeah? Also remember, guys, in tomorrow's video of our New Year Fitness Challenge 2021, we will be coming up with body strength challenge on day 8 for all of you guys, all right? Also remember, to get the best results, please perform all these 5 movements at least 2 to 3 times. Remember, 2 to 3 times, all right? And do remember to stay tuned for our Day 8 Body Strength Challenge, which we'll be releasing tomorrow at 8 a.m. IST on our YouTube channel. Do let us know in the comment section below what your New Year fitness resolution goals are, okay? Stay tuned to our CureFit channel, like the video, share it across with your friends and family, and do remember to save the video either in your watch later section or create a new personal playlist so you can come back and work out with us. Do subscribe to our CureFit channel if you haven't already, and please remember to hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Okay guys, on that note, I'm signing off. Do take care of yourself. Cheers guys.